It only takes 2 minutes to create your help center on Mando. So no hustle, no clutter, and none of those 1,000 unnecessary pointless features. It's just what you need. I am Malaz from Mando AI, and in this quick walkthrough video, I will show you how to set up your help center on Mando in just a few minutes. So for the sake of this demo video, we will use this e-commerce brand called Chelsea Dogs, and we will create a help center for it. So the first step when you want to create any new app on Mando is to go to the overview page of your organization/workspace, and then you click on create an app. In this case, we will choose Help Center. We'll give it a title and a description. And we select the language. For this video, we will use the English language. However, Mando supports 19 languages, including French, Spanish, Arabic, and many languages. So we click on Create an App. Okay, so now we created our help center, and we can just go and simply preview it. So you can see the default setting of the help center when you create a new one. You are viewing now the overview page of your newly created help center, where you can see all the analytics and the metrics you need, such as visitors, page views, sessions, and so on. You can also check the top countries, browsers. So all the analytics and the numbers you need, it comes with your help center on Mando. Now let's go to the setting page and make some customization. This is the general setting page. Here you can again preview your newly created help center. Let's upload our logo. So that's Chelsea Dogs logo. This part is where you can add your custom domain. I mean, if you want to host your help center on your domain or a subdomain. I will leave this to the end, as this is the last bit of this customization process. This is where you can integrate your Google Analytics, just additional analytics if you need it. And here, where you can control the visibility of your AI agent on your help center. So Chelsea Dogs already has a customer service agent, and we will integrate this agent on help center. So we will activate it and then choose Chelsea Dogs, and then we will hit save and let's preview. So yeah, so we have the logo we added, and we have the customer service agent. Let's go and do some more customization. That's the style. I mean, I'm happy with the current style. It's already matching the colors and the brand of the demo website. Maybe I will just change the background color to white here for the footer, as our logo is in black. And let's preview. Also, I need maybe change the color of the text. Save, preview. Perfect. So let's go now to the header section and make some small tweaks and customizations. So we'll come to, let's see, and then we'll come to I will leave it as it is. Here, where you can add additional links, like menu links to your header. So I will just make it quickly. Okay, so now we added all the relevant links to the header. Let's go and check. Perfect. So that's the homepage, about, and contact. Perfect. Let's go now and make some customizations to the footer. So this is the, all the related legal and copyright text. So I'm going to change that to Chelsea Dogs. Okay. And again, for the footer, you can add additional links. I will also add contact us and the homepage. Okay. Here, where you can add also your social links. So I'm gonna add Facebook and Instagram. Let's see, dogs, and then / channel dogs. No Twitter. Okay. And then I'll hit save. Okay, this part is the more support section. So if you preview your help center and you scroll down just above the footer, you can add any additional support channels. For this video, we will use only the contact form and the telephone number. I will grab the telephone number. No WhatsApp. And then email. Okay. And let's add also the contact form. Save, preview. Perfect. That's telephone number, email, and the contact form. And the last part is the article. I mean, you don't really need to change anything here. Maybe just the feature articles part on the home page. It will be visible once you add content to your home page and the help center. So let's just, we'll see. So I'm just gonna adjust this text. And then, so this is it. We created a help center and now we have only 2 remaining tasks. The first one is to create few collections and add some content. And the second part is to host it on our subdomain. So let's go now and create some collections and content. So when you create your help center, we automatically generate three set of collections. Feel free to keep them or you can just delete them. I'm going to delete these collections and create maybe more relevant ones for Chelsea Dogs as an e-commerce website. I will delete that and create a new collection and I will call it delivery information and I'll create a collection. Let's create an article within the delivery information collection. So I click here and then new content. So I will create an article about the international delivery and the process of how this e-commerce website delivered their products and on the process of receiving international orders and what follows after that. So I'm going to call this international delivery. Oops. I will remove the quick start and then we will use our magical AI writer. So with the AI writer, just like using ChatGPT, you give it a prompt and then a bit of context and it does the job for you. So the context is that Chelsea Dogs deliver internationally for orders over £150. The process is that the customer should send a request email to support@chelseadogs.com and then request a quote and so on. And then I will hit generate. Perfect. Then I will add maybe this as a description of the article. And that's it. We have an article now. So let's make the last bit of changes. I want this article to be featured. And then I want to make sure also that this article is shared with Chelsea Dogs AI customer service agent. So you click here on drop down menu and you make sure it's ticked. And also the article is shared with the organization's agent, and we will get back to that in a different video. And we will get back to that in a separate video. And now I will hit publish. Great. So let's go and check our article. I'm going to refresh the home page. There we go. We already have the article we created, international delivery, and that's the article. So this is it really. I mean, in terms of creating collection and content and setting up your help center. The last bit is to host our help center on a subdomain. So I will go back again to the settings and then I will add our subdomain and I'm going to call it support.chelseadogs.com. So that's the subdomain where we will host our help center on, and I'm gonna hit save. As soon as I hit save, I should get the DNS details where I need to point the subdomain to Mando, to Mando's subdomain. So I'm going to copy these details and I'll come back in 1 second after making the changes. So after hitting save, I have now the details and the instructions of how to point our subdomain to the newly created help center. So you can add a CNAME value into your DNS settings or a type value. In this case, I'm going to go to Cloudflare and add a CNAME. I will come back in 1 minute. So as you can see, the CNAME record has been added to the domain provider, and now the new help center we created is now hosted on support.chelsea.com. So yeah, it took me like a few minutes to create a help center, even a helpful article. Now, the last part is to make sure that the help center is also integrated with the AI chatbot or the AI agent of Chelsea Dog. So it should appear here. So what you need to do is to go to the AI agent app, and then we go to channel, web messenger, and then here at the bottom, you can control the visibility of your help center within the AI customer service app. So I'm going to activate and then make sure that the help center is already ticked, and then I will hit save. Now I will go to chelseadocs.com, I'll refresh the page, and then I will click here. So yeah, that's the help center. Okay, here's the article we created. Perfect. So now let's test whether the article we created is already trained on the AI customer service agent. So I'm going to start a new chat and I'm going to say, do you offer international delivery? Yeah, it's correct. Over 150 pound. And shipping cost can vary. Okay, perfect. So this is it in terms of creating your help center on Mando and how also to integrate it with your AI customer service agent. It took me 3 minutes to set up the whole thing. So that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching this walkthrough video. And if you have any feedback, just send it to us. And yeah, we keep iterating the product and making it even better. So thank you. Bye-bye.